Tape script 8.22.1. A. Tablet. Number 5. B. Computer. Number 2. C. Music system. Number 7. D. Kindle. Number 8. E. Laptop. Number 6. F. Smartphone. Number 4. G. Television. Number 1. H. Game console. Number 3. Tape script 8.22.2.
A. Sam is listening to music on a music system. B. Mr. Pirate is surfing the internet on his computer. C. Aunt Sokna is looking at pictures on her tablet. D. Miss Mom is watching television. E. Aruni is playing on a game console. F. Vatay is reading a Kindle. G. Liwan is doing his homework on his laptop. H. Pisay is sending a text on her smartphone.
Tape script 8.22.3.
1. Refrigerator. 2. Microwave. 3. Toaster. 4. Hair dryer. 5. Vacuum cleaner. 6. Iron. 7. Dishwasher. 8. Oven.
Tape script 8.22.4.
A. Have you finished your chores, Pisay?
No, I'm putting food into the refrigerator.
What about you, Sam?
I'm making toast for Dad.
B. Have you finished yet, Sam?
No, I'm cooking meat in the oven.
What about you, Pisay?
I'm heating food in the microwave.
C. Have you two finished yet?
No, I'm washing the dishes.
Sam?
I'm vacuuming the kitchen.
D. Have you finished yet, Pisay?
Yeah, I'm just drying my hair.
Sam?
Yeah, I'm just ironing my clothes.
Tape script 8.22.5.
1. I'm putting food into the refrigerator.
2. I'm making toast for Dad.
3. I'm washing the dishes.
4. I'm vacuuming the kitchen. 5. I'm cooking meat in the oven. 6. I'm heating food in the microwave.
7. I'm just drying my hair.
8. I'm just ironing my clothes.
Tape script 8.22.6.
Number 1. He's in his bedroom. He's watching TV. Number 2. He's in his garden. He's listening to music. Number 3. She's on the balcony. She's playing games. Number 4. He's in the library. He's doing his homework. Number 5. She's in the bathroom. She's drying her hair. Number 6. She's in her nest. She's vacuuming the floor. Number 7. She's in the kitchen. She's washing the dishes. Number 8. He's in the living room. He's ironing his clothes.
Tape script 8.23.1.
Lee Wan is a student. He studies 6 days a week. He starts school at 7 a.m. and finishes at 5 p.m. every day. When he gets home, he does his homework on his laptop. He watches TV for an hour with his family. He plays games on his game console for an hour. He listens to his music center at 9 p.m. He falls asleep at around 10 p.m.
Tape script 8.23.2.
Hi, Lee Wan. How's the holiday?
It's great, Visay.
What are you doing now?
I'm lying near the pool reading my favorite book on my Kindle.
Sounds great. What else are you doing?
I'm listening to my favorite singer.
I wish I was there with you.
I'm having a fantastic time, Visay. I'm just putting all of my favorite drinks into the poolside refrigerator.
Stop teasing me, Lee Wan.
Okay, I'm hanging up my phone now. The old house chef is busy cooking my favorite food in the oven.
Tape script 8.23.3.
A. Lee Wan does his homework on his laptop. B. Lee Wan is reading his favorite book on his Kindle. C. Lee Wan watches TV for an hour with his family every night. D. Lee Wan is listening to his favorite singer on the hotel's music center. E. Lee Wan plays on his game console for an hour every night. F. I'm putting my favorite drinks into the poolside refrigerator. G. He listens to his music center at 9 p.m. H. He's hanging up his phone now.
Tape script 8.23.4.
Miss Mom is a teacher. She teaches children in Cambodia. She usually gets out of bed at 5:30 a.m. She makes toast in the toaster. She heats up her breakfast in the microwave. Before she goes to work, she washes her dirty dishes in the dishwasher. She puts her food into the refrigerator. She vacuums the kitchen floor with the vacuum cleaner. She irons her clothes with the iron. She dries her hair with her hair dryer and then leaves for work at 6:30 a.m.
Tape script 8.23.5.
A. She makes toast in the toaster. B. She washes her dirty dishes in the dishwasher. C. She vacuums the kitchen floor with the vacuum cleaner. D. She dries her hair with her hair dryer.
Tape script 8.23.6.
Today, she is late. It is 6:30 a.m. and she is still lying in bed. It's now 6:35 a.m. She is hurrying to get ready for the day. She is making toast in the toaster. She is heating up her breakfast in the microwave. She is vacuuming the floor as she is waiting for her food to cook. She finishes eating her food. It's now 7 a.m. Now she is washing her dirty dishes in the dishwasher. She is putting her food into the refrigerator. It's now 7:15 a.m. Now she is ironing her clothes with one hand and drying her hair with the other. Now she is leaving for work. It's now 7:30 a.m.
Tape script 8.23.7.
A. She is making toast in the toaster. B. She is washing her dirty dishes in the dishwasher. C. She is vacuuming the kitchen floor with a vacuum cleaner. D. She is drying her hair with her hair dryer.
Tape script 8.23.8.
What's your name?
My name's Jatra.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Where do you live?
I live near the school.
What games do you like to play?
I like to play video games on my game console.
What do you like to read?
I like to read history books on my Kindle.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music on my music center.
What do you do in your free time?
I'm a bit of a geek, really. I do my homework on my computer.
That's great. I'm geeky too. Can we meet for burgers?
Okay.
Tape script 8.23.9.
Psst. Look over there. Is that Leewan sitting with a girl?
Yes. Do you think they're dating?
I'm not sure. What's the girl doing?
It looks like she's surfing the internet on her laptop.
What's she looking at in her hand?
She's looking at pictures on her tablet.
What's Leewan watching?
He's watching cartoons on the TV.
What's he looking at in his hand?
It looks like he's sending text messages on his smartphone.
Wow, they're not talking to each other.
They're not even looking at each other.
Maybe they're already married.
Tape script 8.24.1.
1. I do my homework on my computer before dinner. I sit in my bedroom at 7 p.m. and study for an hour. I like to study.
2. I watch TV when everyone is asleep. I sit in the living room at 10 p.m. and watch my favorite programs. I like to relax.
3. I listen to music on my music center before I cook dinner. I sit on the balcony at 4 p.m. every day. I love music.
4. I play on my game console after dinner. I sit in the kitchen at 9 p.m. every night and have fun for about an hour. I love to play video games.
Tape script 8.24.2.
A. Why do you dry your hair? B. When do you vacuum the floor? C. Where do you keep your fresh food? D. Who cooks the food in the oven? E. What do you heat in the microwave?
Tape script 8.24.3.
A. I've lost my smartphone.
When did you lose it?
I lost it this morning.
Where did you lose it?
I lost it at school.
B. What's that in your bag, Mr. Pirate?
It's a hairdryer.
Who is that for?
I bought it for you, Miss Mum.
C.
Hi, Leewan.
Hi, Sam. Who gave you the laptop?
My dad gave me the laptop
Why did he give it to you?
because it's my birthday.
D. Why have you got a game console, Aroni?
Because I love playing games.
Where did you buy it?
I bought it at Satmay.
Tape script 8.24.4.
1. When did you lose it? 2. Where did you lose it? 3. What's that in your bag, Mr. Pirate? 4. Who is that for? 5. Who gave you the laptop? 6. Why did he give it to you? 7. Why have you got a game console, Aruni? 8. Where did you buy it?
End of tape script 8.24.4.